Hello, everyone. So, have you ever heard of Brane Theory? No, not Brane Theory, but Brane Theory. It's a fascinating concept that says our universe could be a three-dimensional object floating in a higher dimensional space. Imagine a piece of bread floating in the air. That's what our universe would look like from the perspective of a being living in the higher dimensional space. And just like the bread has two sides, our universe could have more than three dimensions. Branes are a concept in string theory and M-theory that refers to submanifolds within a higher dimensional space-time. The word brane is short for membrane. In string theory, branes are considered to be the fundamental building blocks of the universe, much like atoms are considered the building blocks of matter. According to Brane theory, our observable universe is a three-dimensional brane within a higher dimensional space-time. The idea is that particles and forces are confined to the brane, while gravity can move freely through the extra dimensions. In M-theory, there are several different types of branes, including D-branes and M-branes. D-branes are objects on which strings can end, and they play a crucial role in the behavior of strings in string theory. M-branes, on the other hand, are higher dimensional objects that are extended in more than one direction. Branes have important implications for our understanding of the universe. For example, they provide a possible explanation for why gravity is much weaker than other forces, as well as a mechanism for the formation of black holes. Branes have also been proposed as a way to resolve the hierarchy problem in particle physics, which refers to the difficulty in explaining why the scale of the weak force is so much larger than the scale of gravity. Brane theory provides a possible explanation for the Big Bang, the event that is believed to have marked the beginning of the universe as we know it. The Big Bang is thought to have occurred as a result of a collision between two branes in this higher dimensional space-time. The idea is that when two branes collide, they can transfer energy and matter to each other. In this scenario, the collision between the two branes would have released an enormous amount of energy, which would have inflated the universe and eventually led to the formation of galaxies and stars. Now, this is where it gets even more interesting. According to Brane theory, there could be multiple universes floating alongside ours, like slices of bread in a loaf. Can you imagine? Our universe isn't the only one out there. But what if these different universes were floating into each other? Well, that's what Brane theory suggests could happen. It could lead to the creation of new universes or the merging of existing ones. And think about it, if there are multiple universes, then anything is possible. We could have alternate versions of ourselves, living out different lives in different universes. How wild is that? So the next time you look up at the stars, try to imagine that our universe is just a tiny piece of bread floating in the vastness of higher dimensions. Who knows what other wonders are out there, waiting to be discovered?